Good morning, Scientific team. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our advertising campaign proposal. We are excited to work with Scientific, especially because this brand presents the future of healthy and sustainable beverage. Scientific is entering a competitive market where consumers are already familiar with plant-based drink. However, familiarity does not always lead to preference. That is why this campaign is very important. Today, we will walk you through our understanding of your challenge, the core problem in the market, and our proposed solution to position Soyatastic as a strong and desirable brand. I will now hand over to our strategic planner, who will explain the key consumer insight behind our campaign.
Okay, thank you. Based on our research and observation, we identified a major problem. While consumers associate soya-based drink with health, they often assume the taste is bland or less enjoyable. This creates a barrier, especially for young adults who want to live healthier but don't want to sacrifice pleasure. Our key insight is that today consumers don't want to choose between taste and health, they expect both. Therefore, our strategy is not to position soya tastic from just being a healthy option to becoming a delicious everyday drink that also happens to be healthy. With this strategy in mind, our copywriter will now present the creative idea and campaign message.
Thank you. From the strategy, we develop our big idea. Soya tastic, healthy can be enjoyable. The campaign focuses on real-life moments where soya tastic naturally fits into their daily routines, such as after exercising. Thank you. From that strategy, we develop our big idea. Soya tastic, healthy can be enjoyable. The campaign focuses on real-life moments where soya tastic naturally fits into daily routines, such as after exercise, during work breaks, or while relaxing with friends. Instead of pushing technical nutritional claims, we tell simple stories that show how soya tastic makes everyday moment better. Our tone of voice is friendly, confident, and relatable. We want the audience to feel that soya tastic understands their lifestyle. The goal is to change perception. Soya tastic is not a compromise, but a smart and enjoyable choice. To bring this message to life, our graphic designer will explain the visual direction.
Thank you. Visually, we want Soyati to feel fresh, modern, and approachable. We use bright natural colors inspired by soya beans and activity lifestyle. The visual filter is real people in real situation, avoiding overless taste or artificial shit. The product is always shown as part of daily life, not the main focus, but essential to companion. The clean layout and playful graphic elements help to create a balance between health and enjoyment. The visual approach ensures the soya stick stand out digital platform while remaining authentic to trustability. Next, our media partner will explain how we deliver this message to right audience.
Thank you. Our media strategy focuses on platforms where young adults spend most of their time: Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Short form videos will be used to capture attention quickly, while longer content builds deeper brand storytelling. We also collaborate with micro-influencers who are seen as relatable and credible, especially in health, fitness, and lifestyle communities. In conclusion, the problem soya tastic face is a negative perception about taste in soya-based drinks. Our solution is a campaign that changes perception through relatable storytelling, shows that soya tastic is both healthy and enjoyable, use strong visuals, and target digital media. With this campaign, soya tastic will be positioned not just as a healthy drink, but as a delicious part of everyday life.
Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to bringing Soyatastic to life together.